Welcome everybody. We are entering this new year, and at the Embassy of Peace, as I go deeper into recording our online contact course, we felt it would be lovely just to introduce some of the messages from the Ascended Master Matrix that I've received over the years. So we want to read these here. This first one is from Mother Mary on unity. She shared, "This is a time of great change. The gathering in remembrance, the bringing together of humanity with love and compassion in their hearts. The energy shift that has been taking place will continue to do so, to allow humanity to feel, to really open up and to feel with discernment, to feel with the greatest of care in choice, to have empathy for their fellow man, to have compassion, because without empathy, without compassion, there can be no unity, and this is the age of great unity. See yourselves as that garland of flowers, and know that the string that binds you all can only be one of love, and love cannot take place without both understanding and recognizing the common spark within each being. This is the time of unity, unity of the male-female energies that reside within each being, unity and brotherhood, sisterhood, plus true love and recognition of that source of love within. There will be a time not too far away where there will be no separation of race, creed, color, or religion, and where people will see the flame within every soul. Yet for this to be truth, there must be unity of every aspect of your being. So one must combine love, wisdom, and power to gain true freedom. One must balance the energies within and learn that all the nurturing, all the support that a being requires comes only from within. When you can make the conscious choice to experience the vibration of love that sustains you, to allow that vibration to move you, to flow through you, then it automatically brings about balance within and unity without. There is so much magic taking place. If you could see from our eyes, it is like a network of light, a web that is being woven around the planet as more and more become aware of the power within. So feel the love that is within you. Feel it drive your heart. Feel it move your breath, and allow that love to create magic in every moment of your life. Such a simple message from this beautiful divine feminine flow. Of course, this is a time of the divine feminine where our planet is being bombarded by all the love and support we need to choose wisely, with love, to act in a way that is for the highest good of all. Stay tuned for more messages coming soon.